Hi guys, this is Mr. Richard. Hope you're well. This video is specifically for those of you who are doing BNU 1501, specifically for UNISA student. Right, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go, 1, 2, 3, subscribe. Yes, click the red button. Thank you. Let's grow the community. Right. So first thing first, guys, read your instruction carefully. Read your instruction carefully. Remember that the question paper, it's a multiple choice, it's specifically multiple choice questions, right? So you will be answering multiple choice. It's a 2 hour, 30 minutes question paper, right? So, okay. Let's get started. But before we start, these are the things that you should note. Know that the question paper consists of algebra, measurement, a little bit of measurement, financial maths, distance and speed. So those are the areas that you should master before you attempt a question paper. So in this video, we are going to work with question 1 to 11. In video 2, we are going to question 12 to question 25. It will end at question 25. Hope you find this video useful. So let's get started. Well, we are at question 1. We're given the expression that can be written as first thing first, guys, take your calculator there. I advise that we can take our calculators. Let's take our calculator. Okay, let's punch 35 divide by 5 plus 2. Okay, minus brackets. Yeah, it's only me who can see this calculator. I'm used to it. You can use your scientific calculator there. Right, open the bracket. 18, 3 times 4 there. What are we getting? 5. Yes, we're getting 5, right? So that means we need to find an expression that will give us 5. Let's try the first one. Let's try the first one. The first one, we're given 9 minus 6 plus 42. Oh, that gives us 45. No. The second one, we're given 9 minus 10 plus 6. That's 5. Definitely. That means the option here will be expression 2. It gives you 5. It corresponds with the given question. So in this case, let's write there question 1. Remember, this is MCQ. Question 1 will be number 2. Yes, so it's going to be number 2. Let's work on question 2. Question 2, they said subtracting the sum of, let's add the sum there. We are being told 2x cubed plus x cubed plus x plus 7. This is the first thing that we should work on. This will give us 3x cubed. Okay, not sorry for that. I made a mistake. It's 2x plus x cubed there. So x plus x, that will be 3x. So we are having x cubed plus 3x plus 7. Then they said, then subtract this from negative 8 minus 5x cubed plus 4x. So we are going to say negative 8, negative 5x cubed plus 4x subtracted with this expression, x cubed plus 3x plus 7. Okay, let's work out this. Okay, this is negative 8 minus 5x cubed. The negative multiplies everything, so it's going to be negative x cubed minus 3x minus 7. Okay, it's fine. So from then, we can collect the like terms. So, all right. Okay, I think I jumped something here. I was supposed to have 4x here. Okay, it's fine. So, but we can fix it. Let's start with the cubes. Negative 5 cubed subtracted by x cubed, that will be negative 6x cubed. Okay. 4x minus 3, that will be plus x. Okay, that will be plus x. But let me refix it, because here we may make a mistake. So you see, it's very important to check. Negative 8 minus 5x cubed. All right, plus 4x, which is subtracted, we said is negative x cubed minus 3x minus 7. So the like terms, we know negative 5, and this will give us negative, it will give us negative 6 cubed. Then we have 4x minus 3, that will give us plus x. Negative 8 subtracted by 7, that's negative 15. That will give us negative 15. Okay. Right. So let's go and check which solution will be this. Let's go and check. Definitely, do we have, let's see what we have. We have negative 6x cubed. Do we have negative 6x cubed here? Yes. Do we have positive x? Yes. Do we have negative 15? Yes, definitely. The solution from here, from question 2, will be option 1. So we are going to write option 1. Let's go to question 3. Right. At question 3, we are told that the option has the same value. We need the option that has the same value as this set, right? This set expression. Let's try the first one. The first one is given as it's given as 2 cube. Okay, let me just place it here. It's given as 2 cube, as well as root 2 subtracted by 3, cubic root 2 plus 5. We get 12,53 blah blah blah. So let's go to the original expression. Let's go to the given expression. 2 to the power of 5 subtracted by no, this is not okay. I'm supposed to put the subtraction here. Then cubic root of 54, all right, plus root 9 plus 4 squared there. What are we getting? 12,53. So definitely this is option 1. It's similar to option 1. So that means even question 3, we can just put number 1, right? Then we go to question 4. The expression that is not equal to root banban. Let's see. Let's work out the roots there. We are given a cube times b to the power 5, as well as b to the power of 9 times a to the power of 5 there. Let's work out this expression. Same basis, we subtract the exponent. A 3 minus 5, that will be minus squared. Then 5 minus 9, that will be minus 4. So writing it in a positive exponent, that will be 1 all over a squared and b to the power of 4. Right? Okay. So let's work out this. If we root each individually, 1 all over root a squared, and we root we root 1 all over b to the power of 4, we are going to get 1 all over. Okay, what are we going to get here? We are going to get 1 all over a. This will be a. Remember, it's a squared. And here it will be b squared, right? It gives us this. So when you're taking out this, we are going to have negative 1 and negative b squared. That's what we are going to have. So writing this in terms of brackets, we are going to have ab squared and negative 1. So definitely the solution that does not correspond with the expression that we have simplified, definitely it's going to be option 3. So question 4 will be option 3. Right? So let's go to, we are going to work with question 5. At question 5, the correct mathematical expression for a number increased by 3. First thing first, they said a number increased by 3. That we are working on question 5, guys. When a number, let that be number be x, no? And then it is increased by 3. Okay, it's increased by 3. Multiply by half because it's halved. So definitely we are having something like this. So actually we are having something like this. Half multiplied by x plus 3. So this is the solution here. In this case, the solution will be option 4. Option 4 will be our solution. So that's how you work out such mathematical modeling. When they say something, it's blah blah blah. Let that something be a number. You let it be x so that things become easier for you. When they say increase, you add. Decrease, you subtract. Half, you multiply by half. Double, you multiply by 2. He tripled, maybe I don't know, maybe they will say triple, but they will say half, double, but that's how we should work with question 5. All right, then let's go to question 6. Question 6, I know most of you will prefer to solve, but the quickest way of doing this, yes, we can solve. Let's solve first then. Let's solve. We can solve. Some will take you can also take a calculator and substitute the values and see which one will fit from the left hand side and the right hand side. When they meet, the right hand side is equal and the left hand side is equal, then you are fine. Negative 1 and x minus 3 plus 2x is equals to negative 3x plus 5 half. First thing first, negative 1 times x is going to be negative x. Negative 1 times 3, positive 3 plus 2x is equals to negative 3x plus 5 all over 2. Then the like terms. 2x minus x, definitely that's x, plus 3. Then we have negative 3x plus 5 all over 2. Okay, then transpose, this will be 4x. Take 5 all over 2 minus 3, that will be negative half. Multiply to get rid of a fraction, let's multiply both sides by 2. This will be 8x. Then this and this, they cancel, we're left with negative 1. Therefore, divide both sides by 8. Right, so the x will be negative 1 all over 8. So that's the solution for question 6. That's the solution for question 6, right? So you are going to choose option 2. Okay, remember at question 5, the solution was option 4. Then question 6, we are going to choose option 2. So that's how we can work out question 6. Right, now we will go to question 7. A traffic class has 3 parts. The first part, a film is shown, takes 1/5 of the class, meaning that will be 1 over 5. In the second part, the instructor lectures for 70 minutes. In the final part, a test is given that takes 1/3 of the class. So we can sum up those fractions, 1 over 5 plus 1 over 3. Then we work out so that we can find a corresponding fraction that will go with 70 minutes. Then we'll be able to find which option is which in this case. Right, let's put this into pen. Remember they said a traffic school class has 3 parts. In the first part, we were told that it takes 1/5 of the class time. Okay, so it will be 1 over 5. And let's sum up with the third one. So we are going to have LCD there. That will be 15. 3 times 1, that's 3. 5 times 1, that will be 5. So we are having 8 all over 15. So which is equals to the total class time. Then let's find the other equivalent fraction. So we are having 15. Let's find the other fraction. We can say 15 all over 15, 8 all over 15. Then yes, we are looking this fraction. We are finding the fraction that will correspond with the instructor lecture for 70 minutes. Yes, the instructor lecture, remember they said the second part, which corresponds with the second part. So that's why I said 15 all over 15 minus 8 all over 15, which will give us 7 all over 15. So from there, 7 all over 15 is 2. Let's compare with 70 minutes. So writing this in a fraction, it will be 15. Remember the reciprocal part, 15 all over 7 times 70. So what are you getting there? Let's take our calculator there. That will be 15 all over 7 times 70. What are we getting? We are getting 150. So that will be 150 minutes. Yes, the duration of the traffic school class is 150 minutes. So question 7, it will be option 1. Question 7 will be option 1. So that's how you can work with question 7. Then we go to question 8, changing the subject of the formula to A gives. So in other words, we need to make A the subject of the formula. First thing first, here you can just find the LCD, which is BC. B multiplied by C, it's BC. A times AC, that will be AC. And B times this will be AB, which will equate it to 1. Okay. From here, let's see. Do we have a common factor? We have A. Then we're left with C plus B divided. We have BC here. We have 1. Okay. Okay. To make things easier, we can multiply both sides by BC here. Multiply both sides by BC. This and this, they cancel. We are left with BC, which is equals to A, C plus B. Then let's divide both sides by C plus B. Divide both sides by C plus B. So this cancels. So our solution will be BC all over CB. Do we have that? Yes, we do. We do. So definitely it should be option 3 in this case. So it should be option 3. Okay. So now we are going to question 9. A reasonable prediction of the distance d in meters the car travels after the driver has applied the brakes can be found by solving d in the formula. So the speed of the car s is in kilometer per hour. Round your answers to the equation to this equation to the nearest meter. If Tabiso is driving at 79 kilometer per hour and applies the brakes, then according to the formula, the distance that Tabu's car will travel before it stops is blah blah blah. So first thing first, we are working with this. We need to calculate the distance. So we are given 0.09 there. Then to find the distance, we can square both sides here. We can just square both sides. We are left with s squared and d all over 0.009. But we are given s here. S, which is the speed. So that's 79. Then we're going to say 79 squared, which is equals to d and 0.009. So we need to find d. So we can multiply both sides by, remember we have 79 squared. That is 6241. 6241, which is d all over 0.009. So we can multiply by 0.009, multiply by 0.009. Okay, then this and this, they cancel. Then d, then we can multiply by 0.009. Definitely it's 56,169. So the nearest, it will be 56. nearest meter, it will be 56. So in this case, our solution will be number 4. Then we go to question 10, guys. We are on question 10 now. To question 10, first thing first, let's punch this in a calculator and see what's the solution. We have 8 subtracted by 4. It's 4 all over 3 divided by a mixed fraction. 5 all over 9. The mixed fraction is 30 all over 7. 30 all over 7, which gives us 4,28. 30 all over 7. So let's look at the first parts there. 20 all over, let's try 20 all over 3. But they said which one it's not. So 9 all over 14. That will be 30 all over 7. So this is correct. Let's try the mixed fraction. 4 2 all over 7. Does it give us 30 all over 7? Yes, it does. Let's try 24 all over 3 subtracted by 12 all over 14. So that gives you 50 all over 7. So definitely it should be this one. Because number 4 is already 30 all over 7. So definitely it should be option 3. So that's how you can work with question 10. Now we are going to the last question of our video, which is question 11. Right, the last question of our video, they say simplify each of the following. So we need an equivalent fraction for 5 all over 6. Let's try the first one there. We are having 40 all over 48. Yeah, it does give you 5 all over 6. Then let's simplify this. 30 divided by 12. 5 all over 2. Yes, it gives you 5 all over 2. So it doesn't correspond with this, because here it's 6 all over 2. Definitely this is incorrect. Let's try option 2. 30 divided by 36. That will be 5 all over 6. That's good. It does give you A. Then let's go to the second one. 30 divided by 12. It does give you 5 all over 2. Yes, and even if we work out the exponents, it's correct. Let's go. The reciprocal of negative 4 over 5, it's 5 all over 4. Write this as an improper fraction. Let's see. We are okay. They want us to write it in an improper fraction. You can use your casual there, or you can just work out mentally. So 4 times 3, 4 times 9, blah blah blah, plus 3, then you get the solution divided by 9. So which will give you 13 in an improper fraction. What did I do then? Let me work out this. 4 times 9, it's 36, right? Plus 3, it's 39. So it's going to be 39 all over 9. It's going to be 39 all over 9. So definitely option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. So that's how you can work out with question 1 to question 11. Hope you find this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe. You only subscribe once, and don't forget to share. We love you.